A major announcement today from the South Carolina Department of Health. In the fight against COVID-19, South Carolina, has a way to protect your kids against the virus. WCNC Charlotte anchor Carolyn Bruck is here with what you need to know. Carolyn.
Major announcement, Fred, that's for sure, because South Carolina parents, you can start getting your kids vaccinated against COVID-19 today. The South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control, or DHEC, made that announcement today. This, of course, following the CDC's approval of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine for children ages 5 to 11. DHEC saying getting this age group vaccinated is not just a big step for South Carolina, but it really is a big step for the entire nation in the fight against the virus. To date, in South Carolina, there have been 3 children who have died from COVID-19. DHEC's Dr. Kelly says that getting this vaccine, it's not just about preventing deaths, it's also to prevent serious cases of the virus.
It's not just about deaths. We have kids who survive, but they survive because they spent literally weeks on a ventilator in the intensive care unit. And that has long-term chronic effect as well. It's about their mental health as well as physical health, having gone through an experience that is now a vaccine preventable disease.
The health department says as of right now, it has more than 60,000 of these pediatric doses of the vaccine. They say more doses are expected this week. They do anticipate that weekly shipments of the vaccine will come as well. And from family doctors' offices to healthcare clinics on wheels, we're being told that there are hundreds of providers in South Carolina where you can take your child to get vaccinated against COVID-19. We're also being told that some South Carolina schools have already reached out to the health department expressing interest in having vaccination clinics for this new 5 to 11-year-old age group. And that being said, DHEC does tell us there are some vaccine providers still working to update and train staff on giving out these pediatric doses. So just make sure that you call your specific provider before you just go out to get the shot. The good news, Fred, is the DHEC website has this locator tool. They have it there to help make it easy to find a vaccine provider near you. We're told that tool will be up and running shortly.
Yeah, I've got like 4 kids at home between the ages of 5 and 9. And just talking to the parents around me, there are a lot of questions. DHEC anticipating these questions, Carolyn?
Yeah, so safety a big concern. Of course, they know that this is on everyone's mind, as it should be. And DHEC anticipated these questions. In fact, a DHEC news release from today proactively tried to answer concerns about safety. This news release made it very clear that a great deal of research went into approving the vaccine for this age group of 5 to 11-year-olds, saying that the vaccine is safe. And if it was not safe, the FDA and the CDC, DHEC says, would not have given the go-ahead to use it. DHEC says it wouldn't have either. DHEC calling the vaccine a, quote, life-saving opportunity, which is why parents are being urged to learn more about the vaccine, speak with their own personal doctors, and then take advantage of getting it for their kids so they can be protected against this virus. Fred?
All right, Carolyn, thank you for all of that information.